This is IKEA PAX done with the assembly by IKEA team. Unfortunately, it seems that the door is not properly aligned and it so rubs when you try to close it. And then, when you actually try to open the door fully, you can notice that it rubs on both sides. I think part of the reason is here, the hinges are screwed too strongly into the plastic, so it kind of bulges out. All of the hinges in the middle are screwed like that. And the only one that looks normal is at the bottom on the left. That looks really normal. This metal doesn't go inside the plastic. And then you can also see the board at the bottom breaking on both sides.